this wig though. And the makeup look to go with this is very pretty. It's a lot going on the eyes, like the blues and stuff, but it's real like sultry looking, like ooh baby, I'm gonna take somebody man. What's up, dolls? Welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be on this makeup look. However, I did not insert the hair clip because it's not a sponsored video, and y'all know I do not promote no hair company unless they paying them coins, okay, for a hair tutorial. So this hair, if you want to know where I got the hair from and also how I put the hair on, go check out my Instagram. My Instagram will be listed up here somewhere on the screen. And also, don't forget to click that bell button, okay? And when you subscribe to the channel, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and become a Barbie doll, a part of the doll house, y'all. Y'all already know how it goes. I just start watching this video and go subscribe. This look is so cute. I don't know, it's really cute to me. At first I was like, I don't really do blues like that. I feel like I'm talking too much, but I don't do blues like that. But this is so pretty. I don't know, it's so pretty to me. And I love this silky braided back wig, y'all, and this wig is giving me life. I was gonna cut this, but I feel like my wig is kind of off because it's supposed to be like it's supposed to be shifted here, like so, but it's still too long either way it goes. Enough of me rambling. Y'all probably like, okay girl, we just want to see the video. So if y'all want to see how I achieve this beat, then keep on watching. Made it to the end, and I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If y'all not part of the Barbie Doll House, then what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel. Let's get these subscribers up. Oh, also as well, I want to talk about that too. Before I leave y'all, the tickets are still available. I did change the dates. The dates are going to be right here. It's going to be August 29th, 2020, y'all. So get y'all tickets. I want to say this. I seen that 16 people bought the tickets, y'all, and it's 200 seats. I got 200 seats available, and I'm just not understanding. Like, I have more than 200K DAOs on YouTube and 150,000 DAOs on Instagram. I don't understand why these tickets are not sold out. It's just like, dang, this is exactly why I don't do classes. And I tried to make it affordable so people can buy it. So I don't know. I'm not getting it. I'm really not getting it. Yeah. That's why I don't do classes. And I honestly think that this will be my last class after this, because don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.